welcome back to China's World. Today we are going to be doing Salisbury steak, y'all, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start with seasoning our meats. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put half a teaspoon of pepper in there. We're going to put half a teaspoon of garlic salt, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and y'all can just season this to y'all taste. Okay, this is what I'm doing with my Salisbury steak, and y'all can do it y'all way. Y'all, I love me some Tony, so I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 half tablespoons of that in there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get half a teaspoon. No, actually we're going to do a table. These are half. I'm going to do 2 of these. A table. Worcestershire with the W sauce, y'all. Y'all know what that is. Y'all know what the W sauce is. We're going to put 2 of them in there. Let me go ahead and rinse off this spoon real quick because we got some more stuff to go inside our meat. Okay, so like I said, we are prepping our Salisbury steak. I'm gonna put a pinch of salt, y'all. Pinch. Okay, we got a pinch of salt, and we are going to add our egg. Let me go ahead and get this egg and whisk it. Okay, stay there. Alright, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and mix this egg up real quick, and we're going to throw this egg on up in there like so. Okay. So we got our egg in there. And we're going to go ahead and get our breadcrumbs. Hold on, y'all. Let me grab it, y'all. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Okay. That's 1. This is a half, y'all, so I gotta work with what I got. Okay, we got our ketchup. I'm gonna throw in my parsley, fresh parsley. Okay, y'all, and let me get my hands a good wash real quick, y'all. Hold on, y'all. While we waiting for the next step, how about y'all go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, okay, y'all? So we're going to go ahead and fold this on in like so. And this is 1.5 pounds of ground beef, y'all. So y'all can, you know, use how much y'all want. This is 1.5 pounds. Alright, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and get this mixed in like so. And I'll be right back with y'all when we make these Salisbury steaks. Hey y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and start making my steak patties. They're going to be like in an oval shape. So we're not going for like an actual burger patty. You know what I'm talking about, y'all. So we're just going to do it like this. Y'all just follow what I'm doing. Like an oval shape. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and continue to make these oval shaped steaks, y'all. We're just gonna continue to go ahead and do like so, and I'll meet y'all at the pan. Okay, y'all, we at the pan. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil to my butter, and we're gonna go ahead and get, sorry, y'all like that sizzle? Yeah, baby. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and get these in this pan like so. Yeah, baby, don't that look good, y'all? And you know what? This smells so good in my kitchen. It smells so good. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and get these in the pan, and I'll be back with y'all in a few minutes. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and add a little salt and pepper to this meat, y'all. It's looking so good. So we're going to add a little salt like so to each Salisbury. Okay, we're going to Do it like so. And we're gonna add a little pepper. That look good, y'all. They look so pretty. So we're gonna add some pepper. Like so. I don't want to overdo it, but we want it to have that nice little crispy on the outside and nice and tender and juicy on the inside. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'll be back when when they get almost done, so y'all can show y'all the next step. All right, y'all. Be right back. Oh yeah, y'all. Don't forget to leave me some comments down below on how y'all make y'all Salisbury steaks. Okay, I look forward to reading them. Be back. Okay, y'all. So I went on and flipped over some of my Salisbury steaks. Don't they look so tasty? Yes, baby. They look tasty. Yes. Okay, so yeah, get in there, y'all. Yes, it's gonna be crispy on the outside and nice and juicy and tender on the inside. Okay, so I'm gonna let this continue to go ahead and do its thing. Let all them flavors come together, and then I'll be back. We're putting them inside the pan to go in the oven. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the patty. Look how juicy this looks, y'all. Look at that. Look how juicy these patties are. Don't they look so good? Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these on bottom of this pan here, and I'll meet y'all at the other pan. All right, y'all, be right back. Okay, y'all, this is my gravy. I'm going ahead and get that. This is my gravy, y'all. So we're getting it together. I'm getting it to where I want it to be. I just wanted to bring y'all into my kitchen and let y'all see how I do this gravy. It's a process, y'all. So, but I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and put some of this sauce in the bottom of the pan, like so. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the Salisbury steaks in there on top of it. But we want to go ahead and, you know, make a little bed first and get our gravy in here, like so. Okay, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and put the Salisbury steaks in there. Let's see. Stay there. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and lay them like so. Y'all, it smells so good up in my kitchen, y'all. Yes, baby. We're gonna lay them in there like so. Actually, we're gonna try to go this way. I was trying to do, okay. I'm about to pour the rest of the sauce in the pan like so. We're gonna get it nice and cover our Salisbury's like so. Y'all, this smells so dang on good, y'all. Ooh, I wish I was here to smell it, okay? And this is some homemade gravy, y'all. If y'all interested, go ahead and leave me some comments, and I will get y'all this recipe, okay? But for the most part, take a look at this, y'all. Take a look at this gravy. Yes, baby. I did that. Okay, so I'm about to go ahead and my oven is already preheated at 375. And these are ready to go in the oven. And I will be back with y'all when this is done. I'm about to cover this with some aluminum foil, y'all. And we gonna come back when this have marinated in this delicious sauce, y'all. Yes, baby, I did that, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so the Salisbury's are ready to go in the oven, and I'm about to cover it, and I'll be back when it get done, y'all. We're gonna put them in about 45 minutes to an hour. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so this is the final product. Okay, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and put this on my plate. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put some sauce on there. Don't that look so good, y'all? Yes, we go ahead and put some gravy on there like so. Oh, look at that, y'all. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit more so it can drizzle on down. Yes, baby. Yes, y'all take a look at that. All right. Okay, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and try to taste, y'all, but I don't want to burn my tongue. But I already know it's gonna be so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. We're gonna try from this side over here. Oh, y'all, look! Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Yes, baby. Y'all get the first bite. Look at that. All right, y'all. Let me give y'all the last little bite. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.